is the quick fix. Today we're going to talk about aesthetics. Aesthetics specifically with the Shimano 4-bolt crank. This crank is rather sculptured, the large bulbous areas, and when you put a flat chainring, such as the Wickworks chainring on it, it leaves a little bit of a discontinuity here. That is not a problem for anything functional, but for those people who want to have the nice, very beautiful effect, Shimano does make a product that you can put over the top here to cover these bolts that takes away that discontinuity. Shimano makes a set of covers that are specifically designed for that crank and will work with our rings. This is the set. There's these little end cap covers. All 4 of them are different. It's just the way Shimano has made their cranks. The bolts in this set are Torx. It'd be hard to see in the video. That's a Torx wrench, and you will need something, the Torx wrench, to be able to interact with these bolts and get them tight. Our first step is to loosen the existing chainring bolts. We don't want to take them out because then the chainrings themselves will come off, but we want to loosen them so that we can replace the bolts with the Shimano bolts one at a time. Now that they're all loose, we can take them out. Sometimes they don't want to come out. There we go. Since all of these little caps from Shimano are different, you'll have to figure out which one goes in which location. Then simply put them in, put the bolt in the back, tighten them up, and do the rest the same. That's pretty much it. We can see the added little pieces add to the flowy design of the Shimano crank. If you have one and that's what you would like to have it look like, that's the way to do it. You can order those parts through Shimano.